1. The crisis over Crimea. GS Paper 2, International Relations. What is the context about? Russia's claim that it had blocked attempts by Ukraine-backed saboteurs to carry out terror attacks in Crimea is the new flashpoint between the two countries. Russian President Vladimir Putin has now issued a stern warning to Ukraine against supporting terrorists. For now, there are independent reports confirming that there was a firefight on the Crimea-Ukraine border. Why Crimea is under spotlight. The Crimean Peninsula, the main flashpoint in Ukraine's crisis, is a pro-Russia part of Ukraine, separated from the rest of the country geographically, historically and politically. It also hosts Russia's Black Sea Fleet. Ever since the annexation of Crimea from Ukraine in 2014, Moscow has had a heavy military presence in the peninsula. Strategic significance of Crimea. The Crimean Peninsula extends into the Black Sea, all but an island except for a narrow strip of land in the north connecting it to the mainland. On its eastern shore, a finger of land reaches out almost to Russia. Russia plans to build a bridge across the strait. Why Crimea is part of Ukraine. Crimea only became part of Ukraine when Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev gave the peninsula to his native land in 1954. This hardly mattered until the Soviet Union broke up in 1991 and Crimea ended up in an independent Ukraine. Despite that, nearly 60% of its population of 2 million identify themselves as Russians. Since the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, there have been periodic political tussles over its status between Moscow and Kiev.